Hey, where's this water from? It's really good.
That water comes from the dinosaur age, and now it's in your cup. This happens because of the water cycle.
What is the water cycle?
The water cycle is a process of recycling water naturally. Water from the sea evaporates into the clouds. This is called evaporation. Clouds then gather more water through condensation, and once it fills up, precipitation occurs. That water falls down to the sea, where the cycle loops once more. Now that I've talked to you about the water cycle, why don't you tell me about the dams and reservoirs?
Yeah, sure. Dams and reservoirs are like people build them around the world, and they're really good because they can produce hydroelectricity and they can provide water, big amounts of water for people.
A structure that is built across a river to control its flow is called a dam. When a dam is built across a river, a reservoir, something like an artificial lake, is formed behind the dam because all the river water stops behind the dam. Water from the reservoir can be used for flood control, drinking water, irrigation, recreation, and industry. Some dams are even fitted with turbines, and they are called hydroelectric dams. When water flows through these turbines, they generate electrical energy, and about 20% of the world's electrical energy is generated by these hydroelectric dams. However, dams have downsides as well. Interrupting a river's flow can mean destruction of ecosystems behind and in front of the dams. Furthermore, people won't be able to have places to live if the reservoir is floods their home.
Eric, you're gonna run into a wall. Now, tell me about desalination of water. I don't understand that concept that well.
Oh, desalination of water is often used in drier countries like in the Middle East and in Kuwait and Syria. They use desalination of water. They take seawater, and then they take the salt out, and they just use the fresh water remaining, and they use that as a freshwater resource.
Cool, thanks. I learned a lot.
You're welcome.
Okay, keep walking now.